Hi students, now let us discuss Factorisation chapter exercise 12.1. So here the first type of sums are find the common factors of given terms in each. So the first sum 8x and 24. So first of all, let us write the factors of 8x. Already in this we have 8 and x, factors of 8x, and then again we have to write the factors of 8. So we know that as 8 can be written as 1 into 8, and then 2 table 2 4s are, as we know it is 2 and 4 are the factors of 8, so that's right. Here we can write 8 as 2 into 4, and then 4 table 4 2s are, and then again by 8 table 8 1s are, and next that's it. So here 1 8s are, 2 4s are, 4 2s are, 8 1s are. So these are the factors of 8. So actually we have here 8x, so that's why all the factors of 8x, or simply you can write 1 2 4 8 and x. Now 24, and this can also be written as 24 can be written as 1 into 24, and next by 2 table also it's going, so that's why 2 12s are, and by 3 table 3 8s are, and by 4 table 4 6s are, 5 table 6 7, and 8 table is going by 3 times. So again by 12 table 12 2s are, and at last 24 1. Okay, now the factors of 24 are simply you can write 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 8 comma 12 24. But actually we need to write here common factors. So common factors of 8x and 24. So to identify them, simply we have to round up that common factors, and both of these we have 1 2 4 and then 8. Okay children, now the common factors are 1 2 4 8. Okay, this is a method how to find the common factors of the given terms. Okay, now let us see one more example for better understand. Okay children, so you can also take notebook and pen and practice along with me. Okay, and prepare notes clearly. Now here the second one is 3a and 21ab. So this is also we can write easily. 3a nothing but here factors of 3 into 1, or simply you can write 1 into 3. So simply here the factors of 3 are only 3, and 3a are factors of 3a, or simply 1, 3 and a. Now the factors of 21ab. So already we have 21a and b are the factors of 21ab. Then again clearly for 21 also we have to write. So simply you can write 121 0. Okay, and then the 21 goes by again which table? Yes, 3 table, 3 7 0. And again simply you can write 7 3 0, again 21 1 0. Now write the factors of 21ab. So those are simply 1 3 7 21 a and b. So now the common factors. So to select the common factors, just round the common things, terms are common factors. Here 1 is common, 3 common, and a also common. So that's why your common factors are simply, you can write 1 3 and a. Okay, now let us see one more. So here we have 15p, 20qr, 25rp. Okay, so I left the third and fourth one for your sake, just do it yourself. Okay, now see this 15p. So take again 15 separately. So start with one table, 1 15 0, and again that 15 is goes by 3 tables, so 3 5 0, again by 5 table 5 3 0, again simply you can write 15 table 15 1 0. So the factors of 15p, simply you can write 1 comma 3 comma 5 15 and p. Okay, now say children, next 20qr. So now here also you have to take the 20 separately. So 20 can be written as 1 into 20 by 1 table, again 2 10 0, again by 5 table or by 4 table we can write 4 5 0, and then 5 4 0, and then again here 10 2 0, and the last 21 0. So now here factors of 20qr are simply 1 2 4 5 10 20 q and r. Now see the third term 25 rp. Okay, again start with the same one table by taking 25. So 1 25 0. So 2 3 4 doesn't have the factors, that means 25 does not have the factors of 2 3 and 4. So just simply go through the 5 table 5 5 0. Okay children, then here again break directly 25 ones there. Okay, now factors of 25 RP. 25 RP. So simply you can write 1 comma 5 comma 25 comma R comma P. Now among all these three factors we have to select the common. Okay, so round that common factors 1, so which is a common factor of all these three terms, and next observe 5. That's it. Okay children, so the common factors are simply what, 1 and 5, that rounded factors. So simply the common factors are 1, 5. So like this you can do the finding out common factors of given terms in each. Okay, now let us take the one more neatly and a fresh notebook and practice them. Now I am taking one more. So here also we have simple sum 12x square y 18xy square. Okay children, now here you can take the first term 12x square y, in this one take numeral, that is 12. Now start with the table 1, that is 1 12 0. Again by table 2 2 6 0, and again by table 3 we can write 3 4 0. So now we can write 4 3 0. From here onwards we can reverse the product, that is 4 into 3 6 into 2 12 into 1. Okay, so wherever you see the reverse factors, from there onwards you just reverse the product and write. Okay, now factors of 12x square y. Okay children, here x square y also written as. So how can we write x square? Nothing but you can write x into x into y. Why here x square exponent is 2. That's why we can take it as x into x multiplied by x into y. So that's why here the factors of x square y are x, x and y. So that's why 12x square factors are all 1 2 3 4 6 12 and then x, x, y. Okay, now go to the next one, 18xy square. In this also first take the numeral 18 and write the factors 1 18 0. Again by 2 table 2 9 0, by 3 table 3 6 0, and 4 table 5 table is not going, so again reverse it, 6 3 0 and then 9 2 0 and that last 18 1 0. And this xy square can be written as x into y into y. So here y has exponent 2, that is y square, that's why y multiplied by y. So now the factors of 8 in xy square are simply 1 comma 2 comma 3 6 9 18 x, y and y. Now we should take the common factors. Okay children, so for that you just round off that common factors. Here 1 is the common factor of both, and 2 is also 3 and 6. Okay, numerals are over, then variables x and y. Okay, now write the common factors. So here common factors are simply you can write 1, 2, 3, 6, x, y, okay, which are rounded in the above. Okay, so these are the common factors of given terms. So by this way we can write the common factors. Now let us see another type of sums. So from here already we will know the methods we should use. Factorization, for factorization. So what are the methods? Once again recall that. What are those methods? Yes, method of common factors, and the next is factorization by grouping. So first we can apply method of common factors. Okay, now in this we have the question. Second type, factorize the following expressions. Okay, now let us see. First question is 5x square minus 25xy. So see the process children. In the first step you have to write the expanded form, that is that 5x square can be expanded as 5 into x square can be written as x into x. Okay, here x and x are the most possible factors of x square, that is irreducible factors. Already we learned yesterday in the before video. So here 5 nothing but it has actually 5 into 1, but no need to write that one here. So now here x square is written as x into x. So these two are the irreducible factors of x square, that is the simplest factors. Okay, now 25 can be written as we know by 5 table we can write 5 into 5, and then xy is x into y. So these are the irreducible factors. Now again round the common factors in both of these terms. So here we have 5, okay, and then x, that's it. So write 5x as separately, then start with start bracket, start with the beginning bracket, then here you can write x, remaining leftover terms, that is x in the first place, and next you have to write minus as it is and write remaining two terms, that is 5y. So that means here this expression can be factorized as 5x into x minus 5y. So this is a method of common terms. Why? Because here we have here in each term 5x as a common term. So let us take one more. 9a square minus 6x. Now that 9 can be written as by 3 table 3 into 3, and a square factors, that is irreducible factors, simply you can write a into a. Okay, and next minus, then factors of 6. By using 2 table, you can write 2 3s are, and then ax can be written as a into x. Now in both of these, which is common? Yes, 3 and yes, a. Okay, that's it. So that means here in both of these, 3 into a is a common. So take it outside. 3 into a. Now begin the bracket. So in this bracket, write the remaining terms in the first one, that is 3a, and write the minus as it is, and 2x. So simply you can write it as 3a into 3a minus 2x. Okay children, now let us take another one. Okay children, now here we have the 36 can be factorized as by using factorization, prime factorization, that is simply 2 1s are 2 balance 16, 2 8s are, again 2 9s are, 3 3s are, 3 1s are. Okay, now 60, 2 table, 2 30s are, 2 15s are, again 3 5s are, 5 1s are. Now 36 can be written as here 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So here again that is a square b, so a into a into b minus. Now 60 now can be written as 2 into 2, 3 into 5, and then a square bc is a into b into c. So among all these, we have to write the or rounded the common factors. Here 2 is the common, and again 2 is the common, and 3 is also common. Till here numerals are over. Now see the variables a, and again a, and again b. So here we have actually what? 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, a into a square b, that is 12 a square b is a common factor. 12 a square b is a common factor. So take it outside. The remaining term in the first one is 3 minus in the next one is 5c. So this is one of the way to find out or to factorize the given expressions. Okay. Now let us see one more method, that is grouping the terms. So here we have same type of question but different method. Factorize the given expressions. So actually we have here totally 5 sums. So I will explain here only 2 sums and the remaining do yourself. So first one is 3x minus 6xy plus 8by minus 4ab. Okay. So by observing all these 4 terms, so no term is common in all. No term is common in all. That is, no factor is common in all. Okay. So by observing two terms, okay, so by observing the two terms, you can grouping. So here first observe the x. Yes, by observing x, we can select the first 2 terms as a first group, and by observing b, we can select the what last two terms as a one group. Okay, let us try in that way. So 3x minus 6xy, first grouping. Okay, first step is we have to grouping the terms by observing the given terms in the given expression. So here again 8by is the second group, 8by minus 4ab is the second group. Keep them in brackets separately. Now here again factorize each term separately. Now here 3x as written as, it can be written as ax can be written as 3 into a into x minus, now the 6 is 2 into 3 into x into y. Okay, now in the second group 8 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2, as we know 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, and then b into y minus the 4 can be written as 2 into 2 and ab as a into b. Now from these first two groups here we can take the common 3 and x. Okay, observe the terms and round the common factors and take them out. So here 3x is the common, so 3x bracket begin here a minus 2y is the remaining terms in the terms. And next here again from the second group take common 2 and b, that is 2 to the 4 into b, 4b bracket begin, simply you can write 2y minus a. So observe clearly here we have a minus 2y and whereas here 2y minus a. Okay, little bit of change here. So that's why from the second expression we can take common minus also. Okay, y here in 2y minus y, 2y nothing but we can take plus 2y and anything but minus a, that is minus of plus a. So this plus 2y can be written as minus of minus 2y, this minus a can be written as minus of plus a, that is you can take common minus from these two. So minus by taking common we can write it as minus 2y plus a. So again you can write minus of a minus 2y. So that's why here the 2y minus can be written as, first to write 3x a minus 2y as it is. So by taking minus common from both of these, so then here this 2y minus a is reversed, that is a minus 2y. So now 3x into a minus 2y plus into minus minus 4b into a minus 2y. Okay children, observe these steps separately and do it carefully. Now here a minus 2y is common, so we can write it as a minus 2y times of 3x minus 4b. Okay, this is the one of the way. Otherwise you can do another method also. First we have to take 3ax minus 4ab and then 8by minus 6xy. Why? Here 3ax minus 4ab, a is the common, so that's why grouping these two terms. And the next 8by minus 6xy. Okay, like that also you can take some. So let us take fourth one in that. We have here a cube minus a square b square minus ab plus b cube. Now observe the terms. Yes, first term and second term having the a square a terms, and in this last two terms we have the b. So grouping like that as it is. Here select the first two terms as first group, a cube minus a square b square, bracket close, and here minus, here both of these we can take common minus also immediately, so or otherwise do it later. So first of all select the grouping, so minus ab plus b cube. Now this a cube can be expanded as a into a minus this a square b square as a into b minus this ab a into b plus b into b. Now from both the first two terms we can take common a and again a, that is a square is common, so take it outside. The remaining thing is a minus b square, and again here minus b is the common, so observe carefully. Here I have to take the minus also. Why? Here plus sign having the minus and minus are the factors, so that's why minus sign. In the sign also you have to observe carefully. So we have to take the b common along with the sign b, sign minus. Okay, so that's why minus b is the common. So remaining term, the first is a minus next to two terms remaining are b into b, that is b square. And again on observing the whole expression, a minus b square is again common term, so a minus b square is taken outside into remaining terms a square in the first one minus b in the second one. Okay, like this you have to practice all these type of sums. Okay, now in the next video let us discuss exercise 12.2. Okay, thank you.